So this is the finished product right here. Hello my friends, how are you? Elias here with DG Construction, your best option, and we are at the remodel right here in La Jolla, and I'm gonna show you right now how everything was finished right here. All the landscape, all our perimeter wall right here with the iron fence. We create a couple of planters right here in the entrance. We poured the concrete right here, but our homeowner wanted to have this style set up. In my opinion, looks very, very nice. Concrete style tiling right here in the front, a couple planters. Tree right there is gonna grow to be a very nice tree with red flowers, and we have lighting. Then we did as well all the turf right here. My homeowner didn't want to see any of the fencing. In other words, he wanted to see all green vegetation right here on the fencing, so we planted more than 150 ficus trees right here. They're still growing. Everything is gonna be close up whenever the vegetation matures. We create a little bit of a seating area right here. He wanted most of the backyard to be green and a space for grandkids and all his family to enjoy right here, running and stuff. And right there on the far end, we did a retaining wall. This used to be very like a hill without any use, so we create a retaining wall with a planter right there and a little bit more space, a little space for all the trash cans right here, with the wall a little higher so nobody can see it from the street, so it looks clean and neat. This is the finished product right here. Let me know what you guys think, how we did. They love it, but I wanna know in your comments what you think about this remodel. We're gonna show you right there the befores and after, so you tell me if you see a difference or not. Thank you very much. Have a great day. See you guys. Bye.